How's it going, my friends? Back with another video today, and I just wanted to touch on something real quick. This is not going to be a long video. It's just something that I think is really important that we talk about and that I kind of put out there as a daily reminder. You know, I started doing a few of these videos where I just do my thoughts, you know, on quick things that come to me during the day, and you know, stuff that I think that you guys can connect with and find inspiration as you go off through, you know, through your daily life or whatever. Not everything on my channel is going to be strictly photography related or, you know, strictly tutorial related. You know, I'm a guy who's like to put who's found that I like to put my thoughts out there because I find that it is helping some people. And you know what the truth is even if it helps one or two people, and you know 97% of the rest of the people disagree with it, that's okay with me. I just want to, you know, put out things that are actually going to be useful to somebody. So something that I was thinking about today, I've been sharing a lot of my photography and my photos and a lot of my videos and through the community tab, and a lot of people have been going to my Instagram, and I have received a lot of good feedback, but I've also started, you know, seeing some negativity pop up and some people saying that they're shitting on some of my images, or, you know, saying that they don't like it, and which is, you know, totally fine. But it made me think about this video because I want to talk to the people out there that are feeling like they're not 100% confident in their work, and they're feeling like they have something to say or a message or an inspiration, or their photography wants to speak a message, that they're having issues getting it out there. Because the thing is, guys, it does not matter what somebody else thinks. And the quickest way to throw yourself off track is to start thinking about things from somebody else's perspective or somebody else's point of view. You should never ever create for somebody else or have that enter your mind when you want to pursue an idea that's coming out or something that you're inspired by. A man should never ever worry about somebody else's opinion when it comes to something that he wants to create. What I'm saying, guys, is everybody in this world has a unique perspective and has a unique creative ability. I don't care who you are. And if you have a drive to bring that out into the world, there's a reason. And you should bring it out in the world. And I'm telling you that a lot of things that were great started off as controversial. They started off as, you know, not everybody loved them. But the thing that made them succeed was the beauty of the truth in it. Now, when you start comparing yourselves to other people, or you start putting your work out there because and maybe changing it or tempering it or blunting it because of somebody else's reaction, you are going to pollute it. It does not matter what another motherfucker thinks about you. And I'm sorry to use that language for the people who don't like the swearing or whatever. Sometimes I get really into it. But it's true. It does not matter what another person thinks about you. A man should never ever consider that stuff. What you need to do is focus on your work and your vision and getting it out there so the world can experience more truth and people are doing things authentically. That's how good things happen and good movements start and beautiful things start to evolve. And you know, like I said, this might sound kind of weird or like, you know, on a different level or whatever, but I don't really care because I know there's people out there that are kind of, you know, feeling bad about like sharing their work, or they think it's not good enough, or they look at this and they're, you know, comparing themselves and being all critical about it. I'm telling you guys, do not pursue photography like that. We need more truth. We need more people speaking their mind and coming out with things that are from the heart. I hope this really helps somebody out there. I hope there was somebody out there that needed it today. Like I said, it's a very quick video. I would appreciate your thoughts on it, you know, and just other people can kind of share things that are, you know, for the people who need this. But guys, create for yourself, and it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks, because not everybody needs to like you and not everybody will like you. But the thing is you can look in that mirror and you could be okay with your conscience knowing that you're doing something from the heart and for truth. Hopefully this helped, guys. Till the next video.